Hi friends, nice to see you back at Rirava's kitchen. Are you looking out for a quick meal recipe? Then do watch this video. Today I'm sharing with you all instant Ven Pongal Premix. So let's start our preparation. For this I have taken 2 cup of raw rice and 1 cup of yellow moong dal. I have washed nicely and spread it on a towel. Allow it to dry. Now let's prepare instant Ven Pongal Premix. We'll heat a pan. Ensure your pan is hot enough. Now first we are going to dry roast the cashew nuts. Now here I have taken around 2 tablespoons of broken cashew nut. Now we'll just simply dry roast till they change color. We are not going to add any ghee or any oil to this premix. Keep the flame low and dry roast this. You can see the cashew nuts have started changing color. It's becoming light golden. At this stage, we'll add few curry leaves to it, and this also we will dry roast till the curry leaves also become crisp. Keep mixing it so that it evenly gets roasted. You can hear this. Our curry leaves are also crisp. See, it breaks very easily. Now this is 1 teaspoon of jeera. So we'll add jeera also. Roast this along with cashew nut and curry leaves. At this stage we'll add 2 tablespoons of black pepper. This black pepper I have pounded a little and then I'm adding to this. Dry roast this. Now all our ingredients are nicely done. They are crisp and nicely done. We'll remove this on a plate. I have taken 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. This I have grated from the thick side of the grater, and I'm going to dry roast this till there's no moisture left. That is why I'm roasting it separately, so that there's no moisture left in this. So we'll just dry roast this on low flame. Now you can see our ginger is also roasted well and there's no moisture left. Now we'll remove this ginger also on the plate. This is the rice and moong dal that I had washed and dried it. So now we are going to roast this little. On slow flame, we'll roast this. Ensure that this is completely dry. So after you wash and you dry this on a cloth, ensure that the dal and rice are well dried, so that when you roast it, even if there's a little moisture left, it will dry completely. So on low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes, we will dry roast this dal and rice. After you roast this, add all these roasted ingredients. To this we'll add some salt and little hing powder. This is around half teaspoon of hing powder, that is Asafoetida powder. Give all these a nice mix, combine all these well. Just ensure that there's no moisture left in the rice and dal. Now our Pongal premix is ready. Switch it off, transfer to another bowl and allow this to cool, and once it cools down completely, then transfer it to a airtight jar. Now we are going to make instant Ven Pongal using our Pongal premix. Here I have taken 1 measure of the premix. I'll add it to the cooker. Now with the same measuring cup or whichever measure you are taking, if you are taking a glass or a bowl, use the same measure. With the same measure, I'm going to add 3.5 cup of water. Now cover this. Keep the whistle. Let it cook for 3 to 4 whistles. I have opened the cooker. it's all done now. We can see our pongal is well cooked. Just give it a nice mix. Now here you can add little bit of ghee to this, or just before serving also you can add ghee. I'm just adding it here, a little ghee. Give a mix. So our pongal is ready to be served. So now we can serve this pongal along with sambar or coconut chutney. I've already shared the recipe of how to make sambar. I'm sharing the link in the description box once again. Thank you so much for watching Rirava's Kitchen. Stay safe. Bye bye.